Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already have the workbook open. Now get the sheet you want. Use Control plus Page Up or Control plus Page Down to move between sheets quickly, and then navigate to the cell with the arrow keys. Once positioned, press F2 to edit in place or just start typing to overwrite. If you need a range, hold Shift and use arrows to expand selection. This sets you up to change content or structure without touching the mouse, keeping your hands on the keyboard for speed and accuracy. Now change the sheet itself. To move data, use Control plus X, Control plus C and Control plus V, and insert cells or rows with Control plus Shift and the plus key. Use Control plus to delete. For formatting, press Control plus 1 to open format cells and adjust number, alignment, or borders. Alternatively, use Alt, H and the ribbon shortcuts to change font and alignment without leaving the keyboard. To rename or add sheets, use Alt plus H, O, R for rename or Shift plus F11 to add a new sheet. These keep structure tidy as you edit. To finish, save your work with Control plus S, and check changes by navigating with Control plus Home or F5, enter to jump to a chosen cell. If you made a mistake, press Control plus Z to undo or Control plus Y to redo. ESC exits edit mode without saving the current cell change. If a keyboard shortcut doesn't work, make sure numlock and scroll lock are set correctly and that macros or add-ins aren't intercepting keys. Restarting Excel or disabling problematic add-ins usually resolves shortcut conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.